Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hi there. Here we have to find the acceleration and the direction of acceleration of a uh, system shown here. So there are two forces of 60 newtons and 40 newtons, and the angle between these two forces is 45 degrees. To find the total, first let's find the acceleration. Now let's write down the second Newton's law. So F1 plus F2 equals to mass multiplied by the acceleration, all in vector form. So now we have to find the total force. So to do it, we'll use the sum of these two vectors. To calculate the vector sum of two vectors, we have to build a figure to parallelogram, and from this parallelogram, we need to calculate the diagonal. So the diagonal, which is F total, we can find by using the cosine theorem. From the bottom triangle, triangle with a size of 40, 60, 40 and 60 newtons, and F2 we can find F total. So F total squared equals to F1 squared plus F2 squared plus 2 multiplied by F1 multiplied by F2 and multiplied by the cosine between these two vectors. So the cosine between F1 and F2, let's say this is F1, this is F2, is 180 minus 45 degree. Sorry, here is the negative sign. So therefore the acceleration of the object can be calculated as the total force multiplied by the mass, or which is square root of F1 squared plus F2 squared minus 2 multiplied by F1 multiplied by F2 multiplied by the cosine of 180 minus 45, which is 135, divided by mass. So now let's complete this calculation. So the acceleration of the object equals to 33.5 meters per second square. Now we have to find the direction of this acceleration. So now let's redraw the system again. So and here we found the total force, which is somewhere here. So acceleration follows the same direction. Therefore, we have to find this angle. Let's label it beta. From the same triangle with the sides F1, F2, and F total, we can find cosine beta. So again, let's realize the cosine theorem. So F2 squared equals to F total squared plus F1 squared minus 2 multiplied by F total multiplied by F1 multiplied by cosine beta. Cosine beta is the angle between F1 and F total. So from here, cosine beta equals to F2 squared, F total squared plus F1 squared minus F2 squared divided by 2F total F1. So now let's calculate cosine beta in numbers, so it equals to F total squared, which is roughly 92.7 newtons squared, plus, or which is, actually let's do it the way a little bit different way. So F total, yeah, we've calculated it before, but it equals to 2.77 kilograms multiplied by 33.5 meters per second squared, all squared, plus F1, which is 40 squared Newton squared minus 60 squared Newton squared, and it's all divided by 2, multiplied by 2.77 kilograms multiplied by 33.5 meters second squared, and multiplied by 40 newtons. So this guy equals to 0.889, and therefore beta equals to a cosine of 0.889, which is roughly 27.2 degree. Yeah, here is our answer. The acceleration is 33.5 meters per second square, and the angle between the acceleration and x-axis is 27.2 degree. I hope I helped you. Thank you very much.